probably hear, it's a little tappy. It's a little concerning. I've never tapped that bad before. You can kind of feel it. So if you put your finger on 1 through 4, 1, you don't feel the tap. It just feels like you're touching a spark plug wire. Number 2, you can feel the tap that you hear. The tit, 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 right on that. But the others you don't. So I'm a little concerned about it. We're going to start off with an oil change, see if it needs it. I usually keep up on it pretty well. I've been driving it a little bit more lately now that the whole coronavirus thing's going on, but I usually keep up on it every 3,000 miles. So putting a little bit of heavier weight in it. It takes 1030 and 1040, so I'm going to be using 10W40 and see what happens. Low life. Well, I have found myself a problem. The oil filter I did have, that I crushed and everything, is basically flat with the threads. That one concaves a little bit, resulting in it not catching the threads correctly way up there. So I might need to go get another oil filter. Alright, so we got Brilliant Car Wash, along with all the other Griot's garage stuff that I got a little bit ago. This for cleaning the wheels, and this for the messed up oil filter. So, let's go finish this oil change. Well, we're back. HP 1003 will replace my Magneti Marelli 003. Thanks for changing your design, guys. Does not help me at all. But let's get this thing finished and hope my tap goes away. Alright, so that was 3.2 quarts, which it asks for. I may have put a little more in, which is alright. It's not going to hurt too much. A little bit is better than not enough. So I'm going to start it up and see how it sounds. it's still there. Sound wise, it doesn't sound as bad. It's still, I can still feel it through this cylinder. So what I'm going to end up doing next is pulling this valve cover off. Eventually, maybe not today, we'll see if I get into it. I don't want to do it unless I have another valve cover gasket, because a lot of times when you put them on and then take them off, they've been heated up and stretched out and everything to in here, to when you undo it, sometimes they fall out and they don't want to go back on right. And it's only 3 bolts that holds it on, so you want something fresh in order to do that. And I don't have one right now, so I'm probably going to have to go out and get one at some point. But at least it's got fresh oil in it, and I'm not worried about knocking. I have a feeling it has something to do with the lifters, the springs. It's 30 years old. I mean, I drive every day, so it's 30 years old. Probably never had a valve job done on it, so probably just needs to be adjusted. I mean, and the other thing that gives away that it probably just needs a valve job or some springs is, not only is it 30 years old, but springs that were stuck at a certain compression for so long that when I pull them out, they might still stay like that when the new springs are like that big versus that big. But it also only has 68,000 miles on it, to where it was probably never done. So yeah, so we're gonna save that for another video, because I don't have the stuff to do it right now. But and then something else that's gonna need to be done is, I have under here, look at that, the axles go up instead of down because of how low it is. I have an axle seal leak. I have them, I just gotta do them. I've been kind of putting it off because I don't want to do it in the driveway. But alright, looks of it, I'm going to end up doing it in the driveway. So that's going to be another one. Bunch of stuff to be done, and a bunch of stuff that will only make things better and keep me going and be busy. So alright guys, we're gonna go for a quick little drive. Unlock. There we go. Don't need to click that. I got a GoPro there. I'm gonna have a GoPro there. So we're gonna go a quick little drive. I got a back road right up the road that I like to go on. Got this short little shifter right now because I cut my long shaft off like I showed before. But so it's a little rough to shift just because I gotta reach for everything, like first, third, and fifth. But I have a new shifter that's going to be longer on the way. It'll make it all better. So haven't really driven in a while. Windshield dirty. Disturb them. There's a cyclist. ever since I put the new transmission in, I think I've covered it before when I went over everything. The splines don't mesh like they're supposed to. They're different kind of splines for each other. I believe the Corolla with the manual transmission came with a dash that had the RPM gauge, and they made the dash a little different to where the splines are different. So I have no RPM gauge because I cannot put them together like they're supposed to. So what's this? Somebody turning around in the middle of the road. But just wanted to do a quick little drive, get some outside profile shots. Just drive. It's been a while since I drove this car. I haven't been wanting to do it because of needing an oil change, and that tap is weird. So, like I said, I'm probably going to be pulling the valve cover and figuring out if there's a stuck lobe, like a lobe that's kind of filed down because of overtime, or a stuck valve, or a spring that's doesn't have as much compression as it did, like a spring ring, where it doesn't come back up like it should, to where it's just floating. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so got my little shifter. Here's the valves, the axle seals for the transmission because it's leaking, and I just gotta put them in, and I haven't yet. And the rest of the car's a mess. I need to clean this thing pretty bad. So, but that being said, I am done for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of content. I'm trying to put something out there. So, yeah. See you guys in the next one.